guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean these brushes. They look ridiculous because I usually just go ahead and buy new brushes instead of cleaning them, but today is the day they are going to get cleaned. Keeping your brushes clean is so important because bacteria, we don't want that. And then it just makes your makeup application go on so much better when your brushes are not soiled. So I'm using my leave-in conditioner and mixing that with Dawn. Dawn kills the bacteria, it cleans it very well, and the conditioner is going to soften it. And then I'm just gonna mix that. You don't have to use your conditioner, you can use olive oil and it will work just the same. You just need something that is gonna help make your bristles soft because you don't want them dried out. And throughout the video, I'm just dipping the brushes into my solution that I created, and I'm just rubbing it on my hands to get a lot of that stuff off, a lot of the makeup off, and then I'm rinsing it with water. And now I'm about to clean my sponges, so I am going to add a little water to the bowl. If you think I hate cleaning brushes, oh my gosh, cleaning sponges for me is so much worse, and I'd much rather just go buy some new sponges, but these babies are getting clean today. So here you'll see my sponges a lot brighter, and that's because I added my Neutrogena eye makeup remover, and that helped so much more. And that pretty much completes it, guys. This is just another way to clean your brushes so you don't have to go out and buy a brush cleaner. You can just use whatever is in your home, and look at how clean they turn out, and they're so much more beautiful now. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.